likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl, be mine.
So this is what Kiss has sent me over. It says bring the salon home, Kiss products. So these are the cards that was in there. And then it came with the lash glue liner along with the black one as well, which is really good. I really love this liner. This is a liner glue. Definitely time consuming, especially if you want that perfect wing liner and you want your makeup to look good and your lashes to last. Definitely recommend, highly recommend. They sent these beautiful MLBB My Lash Butt Butter. So this has the thinnest band ever. So I can't wait to try these as well, along with this one. So they sent over two. Then this is the Magnetic Eyeliner Easy Liquid Application. So this is supposed to be, I guess, your naturalist lash ever. So I can't wait to use this as well. And then also they sent me over these beautiful nails. So this is the new Empress nails. This is the coffin shape and this is in size medium. And then they also sent me the longer length, and you don't have to do all that extra stuff. So this is pretty much the classy keep calm on stay classy. So you don't have to do extra filing with these. With these ones I did because, you know, it's the ones that you gotta bend back and forth to do it. And then they also sent me the Empress Color Press On Manicure. So with these you don't need to apply the glue. This one, the new glue is included. This one says no glue is needed, which is really good. So thank you, Kiss, for sending me over these products. And it came with another pair of lashes, which are these ones that you did see me apply on my YouTube shorts. So I posted this with the black liner. So thank you, Kiss, for sending me over these amazing products. And Kiss is my favorite ever. Before I even started getting PR from Kiss, I've been wearing Kiss for the longest ever. Since I first started wearing lashes, it's been Kiss. So thank you, Kiss, for sending me over those. Can't wait to use these beautiful products. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Our setup is really different. As you can see, we are doing our nails today. I'm doing my nails because it needs to be done, and I'm doing my favorite. As you saw it, I showed you guys my Kiss Everlasting French toenails and my Kiss Everlasting French Pearl French tip, and I get them in real short. I love real short because that's just my forte. It looks cute, elegant, and classy. So yeah, it's very simple. It's very down, straightforward, to the point. As you've seen, that I do have my nails laid out by number. So I start with my pinky and move down to my thumb. So I am 13, 7, 5, 8, and 2, and both sides is the same. I know that by heart because I use them all the time. I don't know what got me into using Kiss tips nails. It's just been my forte for now, and I love them. It saves me a lot of money. When I mean having the maintenance for your nails and your feet under $30, honey, okay, that is my go-to. That is my go. Excited to be getting PR from Kiss because who would have known? First of all, your girl been buying Kiss for years, okay? Let's just get to the point. Your girl been buying Kiss for years, and now I'm finally part of their PR, and I'm very excited for that. So they did send me over some stuff that I'm going to show you guys in the beginning of the clip. So let's just do our nails and our toes, because yes, your girl do them on her toes as well. The French on my toes. I'm not a white girl no more. Well, I am. I still do love white polish on my toes, but the French, it looks so good. So yeah, so let's get to it. First thing I am gonna do so my nails can last longer, I did apply my Sally Cuticle Rehab Oil. So this is just oil balm, so that way when I push my cuticles back so my nails can last longer on my hands, it just helps with that along the way. So this is the gold. I did get this when I was doing a gift campaign with Sally, so yeah, that's how I got this, but I love it. So that's that. So I am going to take the wooden stick that they do provide in the pack, and I'm going to just push my cuticles back with this, and then yeah, I'm going to cut my cuticles so it's nice and softened because I did use my cuticle balm. This is how I literally keep my nails lasting forever. And everyone be like, oh my god, I can never get my nails to look just like that. Girl, you gotta push your cuticles back. You gotta buff and file your nails, because remember, your nails has oil on them. Your hands has natural oil on your hands. Just a key tip, if you never knew that, your hands has natural oils on them. That's how, you know, me forte versus if I was working with a client right now. My hands has natural oil on there. All I gotta do is run my fingers through her hair, let her flip it a few times, and she'll be good to go to walk out the chair. But the same with your nails. Your nails has oil on them, so you know, just be very mindful of that if you want them to last. And you must apply the glue on your nail and as well on the nail tip. So yeah. Now that is done, now I'm going to take my cuticle cutter and I'm just going to cut my cuticles. Now what I'm doing, I'm just buffing my nails and filing them. That way when it's time for me to apply my glue, my nail glue, it will stay on my nails. The thumbnail is on for this hand. I'm about to finish up these 4, and then we're gonna flip it backwards and then file it down to make it a little more square, a little more shorter if you must. So let's get to it. Alright, so now all the nails are on, so now I'm just going to bend it back and forward, and then we're going to shape it like so. Alright, so now all the extra pieces are off, so now we're just going to file it. I'm gonna take my kiss filer and I'm gonna file it down to a perfect square, just so I can make these little extra tabs just go away. So we're just gonna file it down. The nails are filed and shaped. Now I'm about to just dust it off, and then we're gonna do my toe. Nails is done. Now it's time to do the toes. My nails is finished. Now it's time for me to do my toes, and my toes is 1, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kind of simple, kind of easy to get going. The toes is going to be the same, just like the nails. I already buffed it out, so now I'm just going to place them on my feet, and I'm going to show y'all the end results of how that's going to look it literally lasts me, the last time when I did my feet, it literally lasted me a month, which was really good. And all I had to do was just, you know, soak, scrub my feet as always, as you would do regular. So yeah. Okay, talk about doing your mani and pedi under $30. So pretty, so gorgeous. And then the pedi, definitely worth it. Okay. Definitely worth it. 10 out of 10, you guys. 10 out of 10, period. So this does conclude the end of my video, you guys. I love my nails. It came out so beautiful, so perfect, so simple, so quick and easy. If you like this content and you want to see more cute content like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Put your post notifications on, all that good stuff. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, would you do press-on nails or would you not? Because this is my go-to. I love a French tip. It's just so classy and so elegant and clean.
Baby girl, be mine. Yeah, yeah.